Good morning, team Ismash. How's everybody doing today? Welcome back to another vlog. So we not kill with today. Surfboard, the wind nice in our last bag. I try my best to control it. However, me only can try. It's one of them variables there where can't really be controlled. So you guys may ask why me always start the vlog around on this side of the road is because from the site office to get my walk or the lap around the side, this is where it starts. So let's not waste any more time and just go see what I'm here up to. Because usually them up to something or something I don't want to see. So this foundation is no further than where we last left it, as I don't know. I guess then start focus on that one instead. But this, them have some issues with clearance. However, them have to sort that out. You guys may ask, the curious ones may ask why we use the flat mat instead of the beam in some of them. It's just that the other one is for an alternative reason in which the depth can't be reached or rock purposes. Just looking at this with the trained eye, this look way bigger than 18 inches. Oh, go on. How wide this? You have one tape? How wide you did plan to make it? This one look bigger than 18. Wanna not follow on a template, man. I trench this though. That not in line with that. This then. I want that one alone. Let me see that one now.
I don't got this one alone. Mechanical adjustment. Yeah, man. I don't got this one alone. About the concrete.
Concrete. I mean, like when me have
Oh yo, that woolly wider than it. Woolly. This does not require you to get material for good in a foundation. Why? You see the soil there? It's supposed to be used as your farm work. Oh. So you see if you dip on rock now where you're old and you're not none of this back it up because rock the way up so you're not, then you box you up. This is something a fool fault causes, but I don't know. I try work it, but this shouldn't go on in the first place. All I do is erase the building and try not go so wide. Actually never come this far. I'm showing that unit and that one over this. Not a foundation. This is an example how you don't want to rock. Cannot even surface on top. Some way still can crank over. Until Hilangoli right though, Hilangoli. Boss about this all a nice look of sleepers. Let I not disturb him. But again with the trainer you can see the width of this different. Them one here now look more consistent with the 18 inches from a mile away. Oh yes, a little bit wide, but here's in particular. Oh, you don't want to rock again? Just the head. Just chip it off a little bit. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, everyone. Yes, sir. Me and the guy have a discussion a while ago, boy. Can't even put that on camera, yeah, man. Ah, trench war. Not to say it was anything bad enough, or anything went south, but it's just some instruction that he got. Well, ah, jeez, a bit. Yes, sir. Work. Was it 250 or 50 kVA? One water, man. Go on. So guys, all of the rock here, the head needs to chip off. All of that. Yep. Yeah. Question. You get one instruction to show the design of the beam? Yeah.
Yeah, then go there, so if we do anyway, it's rock and we just step them up over it.
No, you get one design, as in how much steel bar if you use and all of that.
No.
You don't get no design?
Yeah, they don't go to the next.
You don't get no instruction, the white paper.
Yeah, we get that.
Look on them, go for them. In the body, go for them.
Yeah.
Up, fly up something. Yeah, war bar good on so and a dung so all I load of go. You up so? Yeah, that bar in particular. Yeah, a 3, 2.
Yeah.
But may I make him come around here? Alright. You know work tomorrow, you know. No water not come tomorrow, you know work tomorrow. Yesterday's chaos. Working hard or hardly working? That's it.
So that's the one brush off.
So guys, that is it for the day. We have casting tomorrow. We'll come back watch all of that. And hopefully we have some contractor will come in tomorrow. We'll cross the finger. Contractors, please. But so far so good guys. I believe we're handling ourselves well, and we just hope for more good days, more successful days, more prosperous days as we aim to be on schedule. Project will be launching on schedule, and fingers crossed. Morning team, Ismash, new day on site. Let's go see what's going on. Working hard or hardly working?
Just like.
Oh, poor next. Yes, sir. Yes, boom. You this. Yes, sir.
You want to get that again now?
You have to save that one piece of fly again. Like you come to train yourself on your work here and you're done there. Otherwise you work train people to work well. You work well.
How do you? Team, if me supposed to be reasonable but sound completely biased, would I say me have slightly good remarks on that contract there in particular. I tell you the truth. So far, if me supposed to give them a score, that one here would be one of the ones them with the higher score rating out of the entire site. However, ethically it leads to no preference, but you have to give props where it is due. So guys, when you're doing this type of casting, you cannot have the block rest exactly on the member, because the concrete not going to get to cover this. So you have to speak to your foreman or your contractor about this. This rebar always needs coverage, so this has to go be rectified. So the form has been used for block templates as well as lot. I prefer using the form for the block template as opposed to the 2x4. So you have to buy.
We are do eliminate some of the expense.
So what I understand is that with the farm work, the template becomes more sturdy and more resistant to warping, hugging or whatever. With the 2x4 now, less resistant to that. Due to how this equipment is unreliable, I kind of bet say I broke down. How we looking, team? Compressor came, did this damage, chip off all I had them. This one clean out. I'll look on it again. But so far, look like it can work though. Look like it can work. This contractor's second unit. So I'm showing what I'm going to talk to that guy first. Acha, what going on? Is your boss hiring? Your job look nice. 1, 2. I know you do steel work. Because I'm missing one column. Yep, you guys missing a column. So I don't know about you guys, but we cast every block pocket and at least a vertical bar in a core of each block. So at least every other core we have a vertical bar, and as I say, cast every single block pocket. So due to us casting the floor before we do superstructure works, the part most important for Brett is not down at the substructure but up top, as we want to give the room the proper dimension and things like that. So I'll go and watch and see what I go on. So that's it for my first lap. Later on in the video we'll do a second lap. Nice. Go now, update and close up the vlog. Yes sir. So the bad news is that this contractor, even though I was proud of them, they won't let me down. Since that day, we haven't seen them back. They're letting me down. Contractors. So guys, we are going to wrap up the day. As you can hear in the background, if you listen closely, the concrete mixer is still working, works still going. However, we are going to close out the vlog. I hope I never miss out anything when I say I'm going to elaborate upon in this video. I really appreciate your guys' company with this video. If you guys reach this far, don't forget to thumbs up the video, share, like, every freaking thing, leave in the comments, email me, everything. Nobody have an issue with me on email. I respond very quickly. As soon as possible. I take no longer than 48 hours to respond to any email, and so far so good. Team Ismash, again, I appreciate your guys' company. I am out. Stay tuned for my next vlog. As you guys see, we have commenced block works, and we have a lot of work to do. Team Ismash, I am out.